kwenta yan. Walang kwenta yung full moon.
Wait. Ito may lucky stars sa moon.
Do you know that July 20 is a moon baby?
Ah,
Moon baby ang mga July 20. Yeah. Full moon parati nagpo-full moon. Sabi nila pag full moon nagpo-full moon.